Hello, my name is Lydia Chinechere Ikeminiru and I'm a cohort for students in DDM Academy. I took the course UI UX designing starting early January and ending this March. I'm here to showcase my work on the project I worked on. I designed the movie app. Here are the processes I used in designing the mobile app for the African movie app for DDM. The first stage is the research stage where I drafted out survey questions and then distributed to people and then collected their responses. The second stage is the define stage where I drafted out my user persona from the survey responses I got, which is the visual representation of a user. Then my third stage is the idea stage where I drafted out my how might we questions. This is where I brought out the pain points of a user and then tried to find the solution. The fourth stage is the design stage and the prototype. This is where I drafted out my wireframes, my low fidelity designs and my high fidelity designs. This is the first stage. After drafting out my survey questions and sending it out to people, these are the responses I got. I collected them and placed them on a file. And this is the second stage. This is the user persona I came up with after reviewing my survey questions, my responses. And these are my how might we questions, my pain points and the solutions. And this is my design stage. This is my low fidelity design. This is my sign up / login screen. And this is my home screen. And this is my movie details screen, my movie player screen. This is my post watch / movie recommendation screen. And this is my movie discussion screen. And this is my movie search / filter screen. And this is my watch list or favorites screen. And then this is my user profile screen, and that's all for my low fidelity design. And this is my high fidelity design. This is my login / sign up screen. This is my home screen, and this is my movie details screen, and this is my movie player screen, my post watch screen, and this is my user profile page, and then this is my subscription page, and finally this is my settings page. And that's all for my movie screens. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, I'm Zeduru Mesoma, a DDM UI and UX online student. I enrolled in the cohort 4 tech skill training in January at DDM Academy. As a UI and UX design student, I've been working on a movie art project that I would like to showcase.
So this is a template of my user persona, the one on the golden background. Then this is my user persona, as a visual representation of my user. My Kingsley, an accountant, married man, 32 years old, that stays at the city of Port Harcourt. The user template contains about my Kingsley, his frustration, his motivation, and his goals. This is my user pain points and problems and the how might we question. The pain point is the frustration that my user face while using a movie app. So this is my high fidelity wireframe where I have my different screens. The first one is the welcome screen, welcome to DDM movies. The second is the create account for a user that doesn't have an account with the DDM movies. Then the other one is the welcome back screen for someone or a user that has an account already. Then we have the choose what you like screen. Here is where you see different genres of movies, and the user has to select the genre of movie that they want, so that their feed will be personalized with it. Their notification will be on what they choose, the genre of movie that they want. Then the other one is the welcome, the home page. Yes, this is the home page where you see different kinds of movies. Then we have the play screen, where the user, when they select a movie, to be played here, where they have to fast forward, set, rotate, caption, on their read caption and everything. Then this is the discovery
the discover and exploit screen, where we have different genres of movie that when you open one you see others, like this action movie. Now when you open this action you see other action movie. Then we have the user profile, where we have the favorite, the user's name, the want to watch, favorite film, download, subscription, edit profile, and everything. Sets everything. Then this is the prototype, my prototype screen. The starting from the first screen to the second, the third, the choose what you like screen, the home screen, that has so many and different genres of movies. Then we also have our play screen. Here's our play screen. Then we have our explore screen, our discovery screen. Then we have the user profile. We also have the subscription page, the subscription screen, and the setting screen. That is the last one. This is everything on my prototype. Thank you so much, DDM Academy, for teaching and tutoring me on UI UX design. It was a wonderful experience and an interesting one. Thank you, the DDM director, Mr. Joseph. Thank you, my tutor, for all the follow-up, Mrs. Etel Aluchi. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Thank you. God bless you. I'm grateful. Bye.